Hi, this video is specifically for SuccessorsData customers who want to come to Data247 to append phone numbers or email addresses to their lists. So to do this, we first need to sign into our Data247 account. Make sure that your account is funded already, since it is a prepaid account and needs to be funded before you can do transactions. Then you can go to Service Transactions, File Upload. First, you need to choose a service, either Append 24/7 email or Append 24/7 phone. Choosing any other service will result in an error message saying you must choose one of these two services as a SuccessorsData customer. I will choose Append 24/7 phone. You'll notice that after selecting a service, two different boxes appear. One lists additional add-on services and their price per lookup. So if I wanted to append email addresses to my file in addition to phone numbers, I could select this service here. The other box lists optional data that can be appended to your file at no additional cost. We will select Billable and Cost, which will let us know whether the customer was charged for this query and the cost. Next, you will want to make sure you check this box, which tells us that you are uploading a SuccessorsData format file. Next, enter your email address here. We will send the results of your processed file to this email address, so make sure that it is a valid address. Then click Continue. Here is the page where you will upload your file. So under File Upload Details, it shows you the service you have selected, that you haven't selected any add-on services, and that your optional return fields are billable and cost. And the file type it shows here as a SuccessorsData format file. So now you can click here to upload your SuccessorsData file and click Continue. Here you can see a preview of your uploaded file. Normally, if you had chosen CSV or Excel as your file type, then you would need to select the appropriate columns to tell us which is the first name, last name, address, etc. But as you see here, it says no fields required for SuccessorsData's customers. We already know all that information because you already told us this was a SuccessorsData file. So you can skip that and go right ahead to Upload File. So once your file is done processing, we will send you an email with a link to retrieve your processed file. Or you can click here and you can view all file uploads from the last 30 days. So once your file is done processing, there will be a link here that you can click to retrieve your file. And that's it. You now know how to upload a SuccessorsData file for processing. Thanks for watching.